If the first Thursday of 2022 got you in throwback mode already, let this bring you back up to speed. We've got you the biggest headlines, hottest gossip, and all the filmy deeds. Whether it's an Aryan Khan update you're looking for or the biopics lining up for the release, marriage rumors, and some smoking hot makeovers, and more. Here's all that's making news today. Despite the jail time and the drugs fiasco these past months, it appears that there's no love lost between Aryan Khan and his friend Arbaz Merchant. We were just as surprised as you when we got the word that Merchant is set to file an application in court requesting to waive off his bail condition that forbids him from meeting or even interacting with Aryan. It seems that Arbaz really misses meeting his closest friend and therefore is drafting an application to be filed in court. My son said he does not mind visiting the NCB officials every week, but he wants to meet and speak to his friend Aryan, Merchant's dad said in a statement. With the nation debating about the alleged security lapse faced by the PM, Kangana Ranaut stepped right into the conversation to share her thoughts. The actress took to her Instagram handle to slam the incident, calling it shameful, and went on to call it an attack on democracy. Back in B-Town, Anushka Sharma announced her comeback with the film Chakda Express, based on the life of Indian cricketer Jhulan Goswami. Unlike the other stars, Anushka dropped the first teaser of the film that saw her donning the blue uniform. While fans were happy to have the actress back on screens again, many could not help but comment, "As much as I love her, she does not fit this role." On one hand, fans pointed out the mismatch in skin tone and height. On the other hand, there were those who critiqued her Bengali accent. Cricket fans, on the other hand, tweeted, "Jhulan Goswami is a sports icon in India. She deserves better." You'd think Bollywood was done with the biopic genre, but not according to the latest news. Rajkumar Rao is all set to play visually impaired industrialist Shrikant Bola in an upcoming biopic backed by Bhushan Kumar. Sharing his excitement with fans, the actor said, "It's indeed a privilege to play such an inspiring persona who has been through a lot of hardships and despite that has risen like a phoenix." Tanisha Mukherjee was in the headlines this morning when the rumors of a secret wedding ran wild on and off social media. The actress's picture with toe rings got rumor mills abuzz with speculations about an alleged secret wedding. However, the star rubbished it, saying that marriage is on her mind, but said that she's yet to find the right guy. We'll leave you all with these gorgeous photos of Ananya Pandey that has set fire to cyberspace. The new year called for a new makeover and the results were simply spectacular. And we weren't the only ones who thought so. That's all for today. See you tomorrow with a lot more. Bye.